For years, Ziyu has been known as a figure wrapped in mystery, elegance, and carefully maintained public appearances. Fans admired the flawless image presented on screen: calm smiles, gentle gestures, and a seemingly perfect personality that felt almost unreal. But behind that polished exterior, there was always one burning question echoing through fan communities across the world: who is Ziyu really? When the truth finally surfaced, no one was prepared for the emotional storm that followed. What was revealed did not merely surprise fans, it shocked them to the core, leaving many in tears, disbelief, and uncontrollable excitement. From the beginning of Ziyu's rise to fame, the public persona appeared consistent and controlled. Interviews showed someone soft-spoken, thoughtful, and reserved. Every word felt measured, every reaction carefully chosen. This created an image of perfection that fans admired but also found distant. Many believed Ziyu was naturally calm, emotionally steady, and almost untouchable by chaos. However, those closest to Ziyu always knew there was much more beneath the surface. The turning point came during an unexpected behind-the-scenes moment that was never meant to go public. In what fans later described as the most shocking revelation of the decade, Ziyu's real personality emerged: raw, honest, emotional, and completely human. It wasn't scripted. It wasn't filtered. It was real. Contrary to the composed figure fans thought they knew, Ziyu was revealed to be incredibly expressive, playful, and deeply emotional. Those who had worked closely with Ziyu described someone who laughs loudly, jokes freely, and cries without hesitation. Ziyu was not afraid to show vulnerability in private, even though the public image suggested emotional restraint. Fans were especially shocked to learn how deeply sensitive Ziyu truly is. Small gestures, handwritten letters, and even fan-made videos reportedly brought Ziyu to tears. Ziyu was said to rewatch fan messages late at night, sometimes staying awake for hours just to read every single comment. This revelation alone sent shockwaves through fandoms, with fans expressing guilt, love, and overwhelming emotion all at once. One of the most hysterical reactions came when it was revealed that Ziyu had always struggled with self-doubt. Despite global recognition and endless praise, Ziyu often questioned personal worth, talent, and impact. Fans could hardly believe that someone so admired could feel so insecure. Social media exploded with messages saying, "If Ziyu doubts themselves, what does that mean for us?" But rather than disappointment, this truth brought fans closer than ever. Another shocking aspect was Ziyu's fierce independence. Behind the gentle smile was a strong-willed individual who made difficult decisions alone, often choosing the harder path to protect personal values. Ziyu was known to turn down opportunities that didn't align with inner principles, even when those opportunities promised fame and fortune. Fans were stunned to realize how much control Ziyu quietly maintained over their own life. Perhaps the most emotional revelation was Ziyu's attitude toward fame itself. While many assumed Ziyu loved the spotlight, the truth was far more complex. Ziyu reportedly feared losing authenticity, fearing that fame might slowly erase the person they once were. This fear pushed Ziyu to stay grounded, maintaining simple routines and avoiding unnecessary luxury. Fans reacted with hysteria not because they were disappointed, but because they felt protective. Many expressed a desire to shield Ziyu from the pressures of the world, promising unconditional support no matter what path Ziyu chose. The revelation also exposed Ziyu's quiet acts of kindness, most of which were never shared publicly. From anonymous donations to secretly helping struggling staff members, Ziyu consistently chose compassion over recognition. When fans discovered this, the emotional response was explosive. Tears, disbelief, and admiration flooded every platform. What truly broke the internet, however, was Ziyu's candid confession about loneliness. Surrounded by people yet feeling isolated, Ziyu admitted that fame sometimes felt like standing behind glass visible to everyone, but unreachable. Fans were devastated. Many confessed they had never considered the emotional cost of admiration from afar. In fan meetings and online spaces, reactions became increasingly intense. Some fans cried openly during live streams, others posted long emotional threads describing how Ziyu's honesty had changed their lives. Many said they felt seen, understood, and validated by Ziyu's vulnerability. This revelation didn't damage Ziyu's image, it transformed it. Ziyu was no longer just an idol, a public figure, or a distant star. Ziyu became real, human, relatable. The hysteria wasn't about scandal or betrayal. It was about emotional impact. Fans weren't shocked because Ziyu was different from expectations, they were shocked because the truth was deeper, kinder, and more painful than they ever imagined. In the end, revealing Ziyu's real personality didn't break the fandom. It strengthened it. The bond between Ziyu and fans evolved into something far more powerful than admiration. It became trust, empathy, and unconditional support. And perhaps that is the most shocking truth of all, Ziyu didn't need to be perfect to be loved. Ziyu only needed to be real. As the truth continued to spread, fans began rewatching Ziyu's past interviews, performances, and public appearances with entirely new eyes. Subtle expressions that once seemed insignificant suddenly carried deeper meaning. A brief pause before answering a question, a trembling smile, or a moment of silence now felt like quiet signals of the emotional world Ziyu had been hiding. Fans described this realization as both heartbreaking and beautiful, realizing how much strength it took for Ziyu to remain composed while carrying such intense feelings inside. What shocked fans even more was learning how deeply Ziyu values sincerity over perfection. Behind the scenes, Ziyu reportedly encouraged others to be honest about their fears and mistakes, creating an atmosphere of trust rather than competition. This completely contradicted the cold and distant image some outsiders had imagined. Fans were hysterical upon discovering that Ziyu often reassured others while silently battling personal doubts, proving that kindness was not an act but a core part of who Ziyu truly is. The fandom's emotional reaction soon turned into collective reflection. Many fans admitted that they had unknowingly placed unrealistic expectations on Ziyu, expecting endless strength and flawless confidence. Realizing that Ziyu felt pressure, exhaustion, and loneliness made fans question their own behavior. Comment sections filled with apologies, promises of gentler support, and messages encouraging Ziyu to rest and prioritize personal happiness over public demands.